the summit is here. What, 3,000 feet or something? Must be 3,000 feet. It's quite a ways up. Maybe 2,500. I'm not too sure. We're not, like I say, we're still climbing. As you can see, with the change in elevation, that's when you start to see the snow. And Wendy's all-wheel drive hybrid RAV4 Toyota has good snow tires on it, so if it did snow. Look at this. It is. There's a winter tire advisory. When you're driving up here, you got to be careful. Yeah, it's kind of slushy coming down, isn't it?
You know, when it's really bad, when it's raining, there's a lot of areas that dehydrate.
Oh yeah.
I've noticed.
Lots of big trucks on here too. And it gets really foggy up here. So. Yep.
Lots
Ugly.
of big trucks.
It's the worst getting behind these big trucks. Livy. It was so nice in Victoria, man.
It was.
It was beautiful in Victoria.
Look at
Totally
this.
dry. People riding
I think this is
motorcycles.
snow
It's
right
snowing
now.
out now. It's actually snowing. I don't think it'll be sticking though. It's too wet.
Yeah.
And then are we still going on the incline?
Yeah,
We're still going up. Look at this guy, man. Big honking truck. You're tired to spit on a rock and crack your window.
Ice. Now they're saying ice.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's snowing. See the snowflakes coming down?
Oh, this guy's a big RV.
Oh, how'd you like to drive that, baby? Yeah, look at this. It's full blown. It's coming down snow now. That's all right. We'll be down before it gets too bad.
Yeah, look at this bus.
The thing's freaking huge. It's like a full-size bus. Probably lives in it. Imagine the fuel that guy's sucking up.
Yeah.
Anyway, this is life on the Malahat, folks. Vancouver Island. Early March. Way up high. Yeah, now it's just snow, isn't it? Want me to take over? You can feel is that slush? Or is it just water?
I think there's a lot of water.
Yeah, it's just water. That's what it is.
I was going to get in that lane, but I can't.
No, dump trucks in the way. Get past them. It's really snowing good.
Geez, we were just through here about, what, half an hour ago?
Get past this guy.
The other way?
Yeah. It's probably the same guy.
Oh, there's another one way
It's
up there.
ugly up here, man. It is ugly up here. Yucky. That's all, folks. Remember, have good snow winter tires when you're up this high on the Malahat. It is really coming down good now.
Wow.
Yeah, it's really snowing. It is winter wonderland. And the roads are going to start to get ugly.
Yeah, we'll be out of here now. Oh,
Yeah.
oh dear.
What? Dead deer?
Dead deer. Yeah.
That's a dumb deer. Okay, thanks for watching. Drive safely. Driving in a blizzard on the Malahat. I'll have to title that one. This one, driving in a blizzard on the Malahat.
Yeah.
Oh, not nice, is it?
Oh,
It's like whiteout.
actually, you know what? It's good we turned around and coming back right away. It wasn't snowing.
It's like a frickin' whiteout here,
We just
man.
went through it.
This is what a Vancouver Island blizzard looks like at a high elevation. I think we're at the summit now.
We are.
We're at the summit. Now we're going to go on. Yeah, we're going to go down. They got a totem pole there. I don't remember that. Oh, cool. There we go. It'll change to rain once we get down. Tourist attraction. 600 meters. Tourist attractions at 600 meters, so we're a couple thousand feet up here. It is fug-gug-ly. I'll stop videotaping at this sign up here where it says the Malahat.